Hello candidates, hopefully you are doing good. Today's our lecture is the nomenclature. This is one of the most important topic in the chemistry. This is a systematic nomenclature, or we can say that IUPAC rules provides a standardized way to name organic compounds so that a molecule has only one universally understood name. So for nomenclature understanding, we have two main steps today. The first one is to find the pattern chain. Whatever chain in front of, for example, there is a one carbon, two carbon, or here is a three carbons. So if there is a three carbons, that is representing the prop. In my previous video, I wrote all the names: methane, ethane, propane, butane. Butane means the four carbon. If we add one more carbon here, and if we will fill with the hydrogens bondings here, each one single carbon will attach with the hydrogen. So in this way we will make it a butane because of the four carbons. If we have only the two carbons, what we call it? Two carbons is representing the Ethereum. Ethane, first one is the methane. If you have only one carbon, that is the methane, one carbon with the four hydrogens, we will call it a methane. Two carbons ethane, three carbons propane, four carbons butane. For example, this is the we have a four carbons, we will call it a butane. If we have a five carbons, and then we will call like the geometric shapes like the pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, and decane. So till the five you have to remember these things. And the second most important topic is to identify the functional group. You know what is the functional group? That gives us the information about the chain belongs to the which group. For example, if there is a single bonding, we will call it alkane family, because alkanes have only the single bonding. And at the last we will mention A and E, alkane, methane, propane, butane, like these. For example, I'm giving you the example over here. Methane, or we can say propane if there are four carbons. Propane. These A and E are representing the alkane family. Similarly, if we have a ethene family, means alkenes family, there we will mention E and E, and they have a double bonds. Ethene has a double bond. For example, here if we mention two bonds, then hydrogen will not come three, only will come two sides and two bonds. This come, and in this way, two carbons are representing the alkene family. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Then we will call it not a butane, but we will call it here butene. So E and E are functional group that will represent us. It belongs to the alkene family. Now it belongs to the alkene family. I hope so you are getting me. Third example is the triple bond alkyne. We will mention Y and E at the last. For example, if we are taking 5 carbons, how we will write? This carbon have a 3 bonds, one hydrogen, 3 bondings with another carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all other carbons we will attach all hydrogens. Are you getting me? Now this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 carbons, and we will start counting from the bonding side. So this is a pentyne, YNE. We will mention here YNE, pentyne. In alcohols, we will attach OH, that will represent the alcohol family. And in the carboxylic, this is also the functional group, we will represent with the COOH. So these are the functional group. This is the second most important step, and the first one is to find out the parent chain. So remember these alkane, alkene, alkynes, alcohols, and the carboxylic acids with these names: alkane, alkene, alkynes. Remember their bondings like single bonding, double and triple bonding, and in the alcohol we will attach only the OH. So these are the most important things. The first one is the find out the parent chain, because the longest continuous chains of the carbon atoms, atoms contains the principal functional group or highest priority bond. So the number of carbons in this chain determines the root name, like the methane, ethane, propane. And similarly, in the second thing that is most important, that is the functional group, that actually determine the highest priority functional group on your. And this the suffix ending. Suffix means ending the names. We write ending names like these. I hope so you got it. Thanks so much for watching.